Need a law dictionary, guys. Third and fourth edition. This is the seventh edition. But I like this one because it has the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which is what we're dealing with right now in this society today. So I left off at Article 10. I thought I did an Article 11 video, but I don't know if it deleted or what have you, or maybe I didn't finish it. So Article 11. Everyone charged with a penal offense has the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty according to law in a public trial at which he has had all the guarantees necessary for his defense. When you get adjudicated and you don't go through due process, jurisprudence, philosophy of law, and they ask you if you plead innocent or guilty, whether you're paying a parking ticket, speeding ticket, red light ticket, or any other civil thing that they've turned into a crime, you're giving up your right to a trial of your jury of peers. The second part of that article is, no one shall be held guilty of any penal offense on account of any act or omission which did not constitute a penal offense under national or international law at the time when it was committed. Nor shall a heavier penalty be imposed than the one that was applicable at the time the penal offense was committed. So when you go to these tribunals and you sit before this magistrate, when you don't know who you are, when you don't honor your mother and their father, when you don't know what your true nationality is, when you don't know that proclaiming under Black's Law of Virginia and the Christian Black Codes that you are Black, Negro, Color, African American, or worse yet, the NIGG, A word, you are putting yourself under the, what is it, Amendment 13, Amendment 14, slavery, which, according to the human rights, slavery is unconstitutional. It's unlawful. But if we go to the U.S. Constitution, real quick, I'm going to have to prepare for this one. So this may be like something that I put in the comments or something, description. I wasn't prepared to talk about that one, so I apologize in mentioning that. But you have two different types of court, Article 1 and Article 3. You need to know which one you're under. And based on your status in law, because black, white is a status. They're adjectives. They're not nouns. A noun is a person, place, or a thing. So when you use an adjective to describe yourself, they know right there you are incompetent in law. And they can do whatever they want to with you. And this is why they do it. So until you learn and understand why, and you actually do proclaim your nationality as an American Moor, as a Moorish American, or whatever nation you're from, because I mean, as much as y'all want it to be, and this is about everybody, there is no white land, there is no black land. There's no such thing as colored land or African American land. I've never known of a Caucasian nation. If it's a continent, it's a nation. And when you identify appropriately with the nation, the continent that you are from, that your ancestors are from, you can invoke and refuse to waive your human rights, your constitutional rights. Did that make sense? In order to exercise your constitutional rights, in order to exercise your human rights, you have to know and understand your ancestral nationality. What land did they originate from? Majority of us that call ourselves Negro, Black, Colored, and African American, did y'all know that majority of the people that were kidnapped and placed into those prison systems that y'all know to be plantations were actually already Aboriginal and indigenous to this land? And the people that are talked about as Indians are not Aboriginal and indigenous? Anyway, but these are facts that you can go research yourself. And you should. Go to the Library of Congress. Library of Congress, please. Look for the Nords, look for Indians, look for Aboriginal, Indigenous people, North America, Africa, Northwest Mexico, Canada, Central America, South America. Do your research. Don't argue with me about your emotions and what you feel and your opinions, please. Don't argue with me about what you've been taught in these educational systems that are controlled by the Rothschilds and the Rockefellers or blah, 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 blah. I don't argue with emotions. Bring to the cipher, like my brother Sabir Bey says, bring it to the cipher your knowledge and your facts. And we can have a discussion. I love y'all. Stay well, be well, live well. Bye.